everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn any photo into a ceramic ornament portrait using Pippit AI. So Pippit AI is an AI-powered tool that will help you to create any AI content like maybe AI talking photo, AI designs, AI creative image, product showcase, and many more. And then in here, we will use this tool to create a creative image. And then if you want to try this tool, you can just click the link in the descriptions to access this tool. And okay, let's get started. First, just open Pippit AI, and then next, just go to more, choose Image Studio, choose AI Designs, and then next, just upload your image, the image that you want to transform, like this. And then after that, just write your prompt. Before I already prepared my prompt like this. If you want to copy my prompt, just feel free to copy it and then just customize it as you like. And then after that, just choose your AI model on here and then choose your ratio. Then after that, just click submit and wait for the process. And okay, like this, you will get the results. And I think it's so cute like this. You can just choose the one that you like, and if you want to download, just click this button. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.